The thin line separating a good mains answer from a great one often comes down to language. Not just grammar, but the specific vocabulary of governance. It's the difference between describing a problem and diagnosing it with precision. Think of terms you see in official reports: social stratification, quasi-federalism, or supply-side bottlenecks. These aren't just buzzwords, they are analytical tools. Using them shows an examiner you have moved beyond textbook knowledge. It signals that you understand the official discourse, the very language in which policy is debated and created. So, how do you weave them in? Instead of writing the government must help people in both cities and villages, you frame it as addressing the urban-rural divide to build social capital. When discussing historical events, you don't just mention the stories of the masses, you analyze the subaltern perspective. When tackling economic challenges, rather than saying we need growth that doesn't leave people behind, you diagnose the problem of jobless growth and propose structural reforms for inclusive growth. Each keyword acts as a compressed file of meaning, adding instant depth and authority to your point. This applies across every paper. In ethics, you can debate the ends versus means dilemma using a deontological approach. In security, you identify and analyze asymmetric threats instead of just unconventional dangers. This isn't about memorizing a dictionary. It's about internalizing this vocabulary until it becomes your natural mode of expression. Because when your answers are written in the language of the system you wish to enter, you're not just asking for a role in it, you're already speaking from within it.